Okay, so I'm looking at AUD USD, and this is the 2 hour time frame. What we basically have here, so this is just a screenshot of the chart. And you can see, okay, first of all, we have a very strong level here. We've seen bulls numerous times coming in here. Even after this break, there was a retest before we actually headed to the way up. So now the first thing we want to do, as I always say, we want to establish, okay, are we dealing with a bullish or a bearish market? And in this case, it's a bit tricky because speaking overall, it's still a bearish market in the sense that we've been making from this high, this also, even if you go back to the chart, it's still a lower high. So we've just been making lower highs, lower highs. So this is also a lower high. This is also a lower high. And these lower highs are around the same area. And then now we have, okay, we have marked this bullish area here, this bullish level here, because bulls have been able to actually come in every time the market reaches this area, even though we were still very bearish. And then, okay, so this is still just trying to ascertain, okay, are we dealing with a bullish or a bearish market? And then here we also have a very big candlestick from yesterday being Monday. So bears came in very, very hard here, and they're able to breach this level, which we've now been able to actually come back and trade above. So what I'm actually looking at, I was looking for buy positions here from early on today, but the thing is the market has spent a lot of time in this area such that I'm not able to use it anymore. Let me show you on the 30 minutes, because I always say, okay, before we execute, we want to see early reactions on our level. Even though if you come to this 30-minute time frame, even though the market has not been able to actually, even though pairs have not been able to take us beyond this area to the downside, we can still see they spent quite a lot of time here. Now, what I do in that case is instead of executing the level itself, due to the price action, which I'm not happy with at the moment, what I try to do is I will take this tool, and then this is the high now I'm going to be using, because if I'm trading a bullish market, that means I'm putting my money on the buy side, and if I'm putting my money on the buy side, I want to make sure, okay, I'm moving with bulls. And yes, I'm moving with bulls in the sense that we broke this area, created a high, came back. Let me just make it a bit neater. The first sign of us trading with bulls is the fact that we've been able to break above this area, came back. This was the first touch. This is now the second touch. But now, due to the amount of time we've spent here, due to bulls' failure to come in early at this level, I'm not happy with the level anymore. But that doesn't mean I'm not happy with bulls. I'll only be executing if bulls can show me that they are serious by breaching this level here. So that's when I'll be going to my smaller time frames to try and get the market as it breaches this area. I don't work with breaks and retests and stuff like that. So as bulls tell me, okay, we are now able to breach this, I'll be in for buys. So that's what I have on AUD USD. I'm looking to do another analysis for you guys, because I'm just trying to show you, okay, what's on my desk, what am I dealing with, before you actually see the analysis being posted on the Instagram or on the Signals group if you are subscribed. So yeah, that's AUD USD.